ask you something. How did you form? Like, how did you form this? Like, how did you, like, okay, for instance, like me, right?
Yeah.
I don't have like an office or anything, right?
Yeah.
But I make a lot of money. Like, as far as you forming this the way you did you have to do outcalling, or did you just come into us? Like,
no.
did you hire people first?
Yeah. To be honest, at the beginning, I was hiring one by one. It was just me and the white dude who just came. It was just two of us, and after one, we took one. The guy who's there, we took a second one, third one, fourth one, and maybe after 1 year, we were like maybe 20. We were like 20, and this year is the first year, so I was like, maybe let's try to put everyone in the office. So that's our first year. We started in September.
Wow.
And yeah, it's good.
So you got somebody for ads, you got somebody for shorts, you got somebody for...
Exactly.
Oh,
everyone's doing different things, and it's been quite good. It's been quite good. I'm not used to it because you have to come to the office every day, because if you don't show up, you don't lead by example. Because if you don't, so I'm trying to come every day, maybe 2 or 3 hours. Yeah, and the gym is like 5 minutes away. So I come to the gym, I go to the gym, after the gym, I stay for 3-4 hours, then go home.
Right.
Yeah, every day. So when they see me, they're being more serious.
Right. So as far as sales and stuff like that, dropshipping, I was just watching a video on YouTube and stuff. Like, I want to learn more about it, but I need to know exactly how does it work and what is it, you know?
To be honest, it's very, 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 very simple, because it's like you have product and you make a website. So for example, this one is a website of someone that I'm coaching. So I'm teaching him. He's making maybe 1,000 a day, and maybe it's like maybe 30 sales. And like this product is costing $10 in China, but actually he sell it for 30. So you're making $20 profit per sales.
So do he have to ship anything out, or?
No, because that's the point with dropshipping, is that it's the supplier who ships for you. So you just make the website and do the ads. And then the supplier is
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. That's basically the same that we're doing, just you don't market yourself, you market the product.
Oh, that's easier.
That's easier, yeah.
Because somebody might not want to buy from me or you, but they'll buy from...
Exactly.
That's it. Damn, that's sweet.
And because you know how to make sale on Facebook, that's same. Facebook, TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, everything the same. The only thing is you don't redirect on your website, you redirect people on the product website. And that's it.
Okay, so as far as getting into dropshipping to actually, so you make a website. After you make the website, how do you find a drop shipper? Like somebody who's to ship the products out for you and all that?
This is a company I've been working with, and they're paying really good. Like for every YouTube video that I'm making, they're paying me 10K every video on YouTube. So
what?
Yeah. Every video, they're paying me to talk about them and get people go on their website. And for example, when you go here. Oh wait, I wanted to show you. But anyway, they have a list of products, and the only thing that you have is you need to plug between this and Shopify.
Okay, Shopify.
Yeah.
So you plug Shopify up to that website.
Exactly.
And then after you plug Shopify up to this website, you then find your product.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And when you make a sales, they're going to ship the product for you.
Okay. So, damn, it's really that simple. I never knew nothing. I thought it was so hard.
No. The only thing which is hard is make a website. But make a website, you pay someone to do it for you for $200 or something. Done.
So what would you suggest somebody to go to, like Fiverr or Upwork or something like that?
You can do that, or me. The thing which is good that we could do is I have my own agency.
Oh we can just pay you.
Yeah, so I pay someone. I think I have someone in Africa. I pay him $50 for a website, and I said that for $200 or $300.
Oh wow!
So me, I have everything around the dropshipping. I have everything.
So so you got your own agency. What is your agency called? Like if I was a person that's watching right now and wanted to learn everything about dropshipping, what is it called? What we tap in at?
I will send you the website, but it's Golden Ivory. I will give you the WhatsApp, and on the company, I give the number to people, and after that, they ask for the website. And it can, for example, the website that I just showed you, it was made by him. So
that's
hub,
good.
this is for example how it look like mobile. Very simple.
Nice.
And you know this website, my student is making 1,000 a day. It's just 30 orders. It take $20 margin per product. So maybe in his pocket he has like maybe 400 profit every single day.
So how to make $1,000 a day starting out for beginners on dropshipping, basically.
Exactly.
Wow.
Exactly. So
Easy. That's the easiest breakdown I ever heard in my life. To be honest, I didn't know it was that easy. I don't know why I thought dropshipping was something else. What about TikTok Shop? Is that the same?
TikTok Shop is exactly the same, but because now TikTok try to be Shopify main competitors. So that's exactly the same. The only thing is that you don't need to make a website. The shop you're making on TikTok. So you don't have a Shopify website.
Okay, I got TikTok. That's if I got TikTok.
And on TikTok you can create your own shop directly inside the TikTok. So when the customer is seeing your product, when you don't need to swipe up on another website, you're buying directly on TikTok.
Okay, so basically, I'm trying to figure out how to put this. I go on TikTok. How do I get the product like you went through the company though?
That's exactly the same.
Oh, you can use that same company?
The same company. This company,
okay, damn.
Yeah, this company is very famous and maybe they make like billions a year and they're working with all kind of platforms because so they are main big suppliers. So they work with TikTok Shop, they work with everything.
And how do you find a product that is viral that will sell a lot?
To be honest, there is a lot of ways to, for example, there is the first way. The first way, this is my software. This is my software called Shopify. So I built this one 2 years ago. And with this one, people can actually find products. So for example, I go on top ads. And here, I have all the ads of competitors. So I'm watching, I have all the ads. So then...
Hold on. So this is your software?
Yeah, this is mine.
Damn.
Yeah, I will show you, but with this one, yeah,
that's hard.
Yeah.
You smart as hell.
Yeah.
bro, smart. You super smart for this, bro. I can't lie.
Yeah, because I have a YouTube channel, I was like, because I understood that when you have leverage, people they're just buying everything that you tell them to buy.
Yeah.
So I was like, I should do the same. So I made this one 3 years ago, and to be honest, it's not that big, but like I think let me show you. But Shopify. Yeah, every day I make maybe 1K a day. Yesterday I make 200. Every year I make
and is what
50,000 a month.
Wow! And what is that? Is that a stand or is what?
This is on Stripe. So this is on Stripe. So every month I'm making this month.
So how do you deal with people doing chargebacks on Stripe?
When you have a good software, they don't really ask for chargeback. And if they ask, we just give them the money back. But it don't really happen often. It's not something that happens. So you go there, and so I make, here you have all the ads. Here you can find, for example, you want to spy someone on TikTok. You know that this one had an average of 10,000 a month. This one. So after that, you just pick a project.
Okay, so, damn, so this is your software and people can go sign up for your software.
Exactly.
Wow.
Exactly.
So I can sign up for your software.
Exactly.
How much is it?
$50.
$50 a month?
Yeah, a month.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
So I sign up for your software for $50 a month. I go on your software, I see what people are making a month.
Exactly.
So, okay, if somebody is making, I've seen 14 million, 196,000 and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Is that something that average person, like a beginner, they should jump into something like that or what?
Exactly. Me, to be honest, when I was starting e-commerce, I was trying to find a product that no one else is selling. But it's dumb to do that. You should find a product which is working really well and sell the same.
Okay, it's working really well, and then you switching the ads around a little better, right?
And the thing that I'm doing the most, and that's why we're going to teach to people, is that in America, everything, because you are guys a big country, and so everyone are thinking that there is only America. So what people do in Europe, they take product from US and they're just selling in England. Or in the UK, so or in Australia or in Canada. And because US is that big that people in the US don't think about selling elsewhere.
No, they don't.
Yeah, because they're like, our country is the best country and it's very big, so we don't need to. So what people do in Europe, and everyone who making like thousands of dollars in Europe, they just steal product from US and they ship in a smaller country. Right. So you don't even have to change the ads. Some people, they take exactly the same ads from the US and they sell it in another market.
So as far as like running ads for somebody who's not good at running ads, you gotta, in this copy file, right?
Yeah.
You show me another website, or you spy on the ads. Okay. After you spy on the ads, how do you make your ads better? You find somebody to do that, or
exactly, you can find somebody to do it. I have someone that I know is also from the States.
In your program?
Yeah. So sometimes you can go through him. He's charging maybe $30, but the main thing is to learn to do it by yourself. Right. So that's why we teaching to people. So the most value that we have is to teaching you how you make your website, teaching you how you run your ads, and teaching you how you can analyze your figures, and that's it.
Yeah, that's amazing, bro.
Exactly. Yeah. So when you know, it's very simple. People think that it's very, very hard, but the most difficult thing is maybe do the website. And even this part, you can pay someone to do it for you. But when you just want to test a product, you don't need to have an Instagram. You just have the website. You sell all the audience there. That's it. But when you want to make a brand, maybe to sell your brand in few years, now you need to make branding, have a good Instagram, have good social media to build trust, and have
so if I'm selling a product and I'm trying to run all the traffic to my website, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you get on TikTok, or don't you need some type of platform as far as Instagram or something like that to?
No, I was thinking that at the beginning, because when you're a beginner, you're like, I need to make an Instagram. Even myself, for my first website, I make an Instagram, I make everything. And to be honest, because on TikTok and even on Snapchat, it's like impulsive buying. So people are not really looking on your social media. So I don't really need to have an Instagram page.
You're right. Okay. Wow, that's a real game right there.
Yeah. So at the
super game.
At the beginning, I was very thinking, I need everything to be perfect. But you're getting perfect when you start making money. At the beginning, you don't really need to overthinking about everything. No, you just do your website, send people, make sales. Boom.
So is it like on Snapchat? I noticed they got targeted audiences.
Exactly. So the thing which is really funny is that even with TikTok, you can target the audience. So it's easier because you don't really need to find your audience. TikTok is going to find it for you. You see? So for example, even my students who are there, they start a website yesterday night. They make their first sale this morning. You don't need yesterday.
I need to do that.
Yeah, yesterday I told them you need to sell this product. They made the website yesterday night. They launched the ad at midnight. This morning they had their first sales.
So let me ask you something. You telling me basically I can make a website tonight, right, or tomorrow, and I can start doing something and going crazy.
Exactly.
Cause I got a lot. I'll put 200,000 in ads. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I want to just go crazy with that shit.
Exactly. If you use to put this kind of money, dropshipping is going to be easy for you. It's very, very easy. It's easy, to be honest.
It's just whoever spends the most money on ads.
Exactly. Basically, the one who spends the most is the one who got more visibility. So that's it. And for someone who's just willing to make maybe 1,000 a day, it's nothing, because 1,000 a day is just 30 orders for a product that you're selling for $30. So
I need to sign up for your site, and then I need to sign up. I need a whole package with that. And then listen now, if y'all know, we doing a 5-day challenge too, though. You know what I mean? So we gonna help everything that I'm learning that he's teaching me. He gonna teach y'all. We gonna teach y'all together. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all how I do marketing. He gonna tell y'all how you do dropshipping, and I'm learning right now as we speak. So It's a vibe, definitely.
Yeah, that's good.
So when we starting on that? I'm ready to. I want to get on that ASAP, bro.
When you ready, we start. How can we even start today?
Yeah. Let's do that, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I want to go ahead and because I can. You know what I can do? I can start. I can go live and do a whole thing. Yeah, I want to go live and do that shit because that's gonna be a hard thing to do. We at 9:05 too. We just hit 9:05 today on the trading, y'all. We vibing. You know what I'm saying? Just free every month, you know. But yeah, let's get it though, man. Just pause it real quick. But